Yo, what's up, guys? First day of snow. Everything's covered. Hopefully it's gonna be a good year. It's looking good so far. Got my coffee. Not a very exciting day. We aren't snowmobiling yet, but I am going to the scrapyard to go show you guys some cool stuff. So let's do it. Look at this. The pig. Look, they're striking work at this chemical plant. There they are. Here's some more of them. Woo! Woo! Fires going. They got fires going in barrels. You see that? What are they striking?
For better pay.
Better pay at the chemical plant.
Moment.
A lot of them. They must employ a lot of people.
Oh, yeah. Like this dude's fucking check out the island?
Sure.
Cool. Take the back way.
Yeah. Check this out. Walking along this awesome trail with this awesome view, and we came across some old, what looks like its engine's still in there. Wow. Does it turn? The fan does.
I bet you.
It looks kind of, what do you think? Is that a Chevy? Is that an old 57 Chevy? Look at the chrome trim on there. Maybe. Hard to tell. Rear wheel drive, diff housing.
Serial number would be?
That's gotta be gone. There's a door. What's that? Door's probably, the skin's probably stripped. And old speakers.
Looking at this back panel. It looks like a Ford.
Man, doesn't tell you much. If there's any symbols, they'd be gone by now. But
probably a pickup.
maybe. I don't know. That front subframe seems, I don't know. Pretty cool though. Duck stand. So unfortunately my battery had died at that point. So to end this video, here's a picture of my lunch.